Hi everyone, and welcome back to Math with Mel. There are some new changes to the Math ACT that you need to know about. The test is now 45 questions in 50 minutes instead of 60 questions in 60 minutes. That means fewer questions, more time, and a whole new pacing strategy. I'm launching a brand new YouTube series here on Math with Mel, where we'll tackle 5 ACT math questions at a time. I'll teach you how to use the embedded Desmos graphing calculator to move faster, stay accurate, and stop making careless mistakes. Let's dive in and get you ready to crush the Math ACT. Question number 1. Cameron took 4 tests, and his scores were as follows: 100, 60, 80, and 30. Cameron took another test that was scored X. The mean score of the 5 tests he took is 72. What is the value of X? This problem is the perfect problem to solve using Desmos. Let's go to the Desmos graphing calculator. To calculate the mean, we take all of our numbers, add them together, and divide by the total. Our numbers given were 100 plus 60 plus 80 plus 30, and we had an unknown test score of X. We're going to take all of these numbers, I'm going to highlight them and put a division bar, and there were 5 tests. We want that average to be 72. So I'm going to set this equal to 72. Now we let Desmos graphing calculator do its work. We know it's got to be greater than 30, so I'm going to shift, put my cursor over this X axis, and just go like this until I see the line. Looks like the answer is 90, which matches answer choice D. Question number 2. In the Venn diagram below, circles S, C, and P represent farms raising sheep, cows, and pigs, respectively. How many of the 47 farms represented in the diagram do not raise cows? For this one, I like to start with the total and subtract off the ones that do have cows. We know that 47 farms have cows. This number right here represents just the farms that have cows, so I'm going to subtract off 10. This is sheep and cows, so I'm going to subtract 13. This is pigs and cows, so I'm going to subtract off 4. And this represents the farm that has all 3 sheep, cows, and pigs. And when I subtract all of this, I get 19, which is answer choice J. Question number 3. Marco designs a spinner wheel that has exactly 4 sections: red, blue, green, and yellow. He wants the spinner to have a 25% chance of landing on each section. He spins the wheel 500 times. The results of the spins are shown in the table. Based on the results in this table, which of the following changes would be the best fix? Which one? Well, we want all of these to be about the same. And in an experiment, things aren't going to be the same. So we see that green and yellow are about the same. So we know that we don't need to change these. However, red is not producing as much as we want, so we want this to go up. And blue is producing too much, so we want this to go down. If we read answer choice B, it says he should increase the area of the red and decrease the area of the blue. So B is the answer choice for number 3. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, A and C are congruent. So let's draw a triangle real quick. Triangle A, B, C. A and C are congruent, which means they're the same angle measure. And the measure of angle B is 143.6 degrees. What is the measure of angle A? So this is what we're trying to figure out. Triangles add up to 180 degrees. So if we take 180 and subtract 143.6, that will give us both the angles of A and C added together. So what I'd want to do from here is take this and divide by 2. Typing this into our graphing calculator really quick, we get 18.2 degrees, which is option F. Question number 5. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to x squared minus x minus 30? This is a perfect one to hack with the Desmos graphing calculator. Let's go there now. Okay, we're going to type in the expression x squared minus x minus 30. And all we're going to do is type in the other answers to see which ones fall right on top of this graph. So we have x plus 3, x minus 10. That didn't work, so let's change it to option B, x plus 6, x minus 5. Didn't work. Let's change it to option C, x minus 6 times x plus 5. That one matches. Thank you, Desmos. The answer choice for this one is C. So that wraps up questions 1 through 5. Look out for my next video where I'll walk you through questions 6 through 10 and any Desmo hacks that I can find.